Jayla, what are you doing on there? Are you going to come up here on the bed or what? Are you? Jayla, come get up on the bed. Why are you down there on the floor? Huh? Hello? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're a weirdo.
No, you're a weirdo.
Huh?
No, you're a weirdo.
You're a weirdo.
No, you're a weirdo.
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 Weirder.
Weirder.
Come on, get up on the bed. Come on, get up on the bed. It's time for bed. Let's go. Get up. You're going to hurt my back. Let's go.
I wanted to show you what I mean.
What?
You have to come.
I have to come where?
My mom keeps lying to me.
What?
My mom lied to me.
Your mom lied to you?
Mm-hmm.
About what?
She says she won't leave.
Oh. And what did you want to show me?
Never mind.
Huh?
Never mind.
No, you said something about your ice igloo.